Why dropshipping from AliExpress is not reliable and profitable business. Hello and welcome to ecomhardy.com, and in this video, I will make you aware on topics usually e-commerce gurus forget to mention when they talk about dropshipping. Dropshipping from AliExpress, or from any other online supplier, is a business model that has gained popularity in recent years due to its perceived low risk and low investment. In this model, a seller partners with a supplier who holds the inventory and ships the products directly to the customer on behalf of the seller. The seller never handles the inventory and only acts as a middleman between the supplier and the customer. However, while dropshipping may seem like a simple and attractive way to start an e-commerce business, it is not a reliable and profitable business model in the long run. Here are some reasons why. Low profit margins. One of the main challenges of dropshipping is the low profit margins. The supplier sets the price of the product, and the seller has to mark it up to make a profit. However, the seller has to compete with other sellers who are offering the same product, so they have to keep their prices low. As a result, the profit margins are often slim, and it can be difficult to make a significant profit. Quality control issues. When you dropship from a supplier, you have no control over the quality of the products you are selling. If the supplier ships a defective or low-quality product to your customer, it reflects poorly on your business. This can lead to negative reviews, returns, and even legal issues. Shipping and fulfillment issues. Dropshipping relies on the supplier to ship the products to the customer. If the supplier has delays or other issues with their fulfillment process, it can lead to customer dissatisfaction and negative reviews for your business. Lack of control. When you dropship from a supplier, you have no control over the pricing, product quality, or shipping process. This lack of control can make it difficult to scale your business and offer a consistent customer experience. Branding challenges. When you dropship from a supplier, you are essentially selling someone else's brand. It can be difficult to establish your own brand and differentiate yourself from other sellers who are also offering the same products. In conclusion, while dropshipping from AliExpress or any other supplier may seem like a low-risk and low-investment e-commerce business, it is not a reliable and profitable business model in long run. The low profit margins, quality control issues, shipping and fulfillment issues, lack of control, and branding challenges make it difficult to build a successful and sustainable business. Hope I made you clear about what you can expect and face when you decide to do dropshipping from AliExpress. If you have any further questions, please feel free to comment in comment box below, and we will reply to all questions in best possible ways. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and like and share this video to get notified for great and useful content in the future. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.